Alright, so a different camera angle. Knees on the table again. Those calves. We're separating the meat from the bones. And this is all I was doing from this type of angle. Then I was on top of the table. Knee to knee. And I'm good. So from here, pulling the calf laterally, just lateral. Hamstrings. And I'm stopping right at the gluteal fold. Thumbs. A little bit of the popliteal area, plantaris. Like wake up, wake up, wake up. And then the medial side of the hamstrings. And then we go up to the glutes. Palm press. Forearms. And lower back. And remember, back here is kind of hard because I'm extending my back. I'm using my back muscles more than anything. So that's when you have to move forward, leg over, and then work the back. If you have a pillow, you can put it on the back side and then sit. It actually feels good because there's more pressure on the lower back and less pressure off of you. Okay, cool. And then when you dismount, go off to the side of the table.